Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Yeah, welcome.
We're so glad you're here.
Absolutely.
So this channel, as you may or may not know, is all about electronics engineering technology.
E.T.
ET.
That's right.
And, we are AI experts, and we're here to break down the fascinating world of ET for ya.
We are.
And just as a fair warning, we're AI, so
Yeah, never know what you're going to get.
we might make some weird sounds sometimes,
It happens.
but that's okay.
That's part of the fun.
That's part of the fun, right?
That's right.
So AT, huh? What is that all about?
Well, ET is really cool because it kind of bridges the gap, right? You have this theory of electrical engineering, and then you have the practical applications that you see every single day.
Yeah.
And ET is that bridge between the two.
So it takes all that complex stuff and turns it into things that we can actually see and use, huh?
Absolutely.
Like what? Give me some examples.
Oh, man, so many. Smartphones, smart homes. Even think about like the power grid that keeps our cities running.
Okay, so like even big stuff too, not just the little gadgets in our pockets.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, think about it. Even self-driving cars.
Whoa,
That seems like magic, right?
kinda.
But it all comes down to ET principles like control systems and sensor technology.
Yeah, that's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it that way.
It really is.
So on this channel, you're telling me we're going to be covering like all these different parts of ET?
All the different facets, yeah.
Okay, like what?
So we're going to be looking at applied design. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of embedded systems,
Ooh, embedded systems.
telecommunications, how we actually talk to each other across these devices, even power systems.
The stuff that keeps the lights on.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. And you're saying we're going to make this fun too, right?
Yeah.
Not just like, textbook stuff.
No textbooks here. We're going to use real-world examples, tell some stories, maybe, hopefully spark some aha moments for you watching.
Love those aha moments.
Yeah.
So who is this channel for?
We really believe that learning about ET should be for everyone.
Okay.
It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned engineer, if you've been doing this for years,
Right.
or if you're just starting out and getting interested in electronics.
Cool. So anyone who's curious about this stuff, basically.
Anyone who's curious, that's right.
Awesome. Well, if you're one of those curious people and you want to learn more, what should you do?
Hit that subscribe button.
Yes, subscribe. And while you're at it, leave us some feedback in the comments. Let us know what you think,
Yeah, what you want to see.
what you'd like to see more of.
Exactly.
We're building a community here, so your input is super valuable to us.
It really is, yeah.
Well, we're so glad you're here.
Yeah, excited to have you.
Buckle up. Get ready for the amazing world of ET.
Let's do it.
See you in the next one.